Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal information in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and you will see there a symbol with your initials. Press on it. After doing so, you have to scroll down a little bit and here you will find my account information. Press on that and here you will see the first option appearing to you, which is personal information. Press on that and here are all the things that you can edit here. First of all, your gender, then your name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, and finally your phone number. If you think that any of these needs to be editing, you just press on them, just like how you can see the date of your birth. You just press on this, press OK, and after all of this is done, you just press save and your information will be updated. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.